should our relationship not be on social?
I think it's about you and your relationship. It's about you as a couple, because some people are more comfortable with being open. I'm a pretty open person. It doesn't bother me, the good, the bad. I tend to absorb the good stuff. Negative stuff, I just kind of I don't even want to see it, you know. So I just tend to absorb the positive things. And so for me, social media has been healthy as of right now. But whenever it gets unhealthy, you have to know yourself.
Yeah.
And if it's damaging your relationship, and you make it, and your relationship is more important than social media, then you might need to do it. If your relationship isn't, then why are you in it?
I agree, Alex. Here's another thing to, consider is boundaries. I think that if somebody puts something out there, they need to be accountable and responsible to what's coming. So if you're going to put out all your business and you have trolls, you need to be accountable to respond, whether you're going to respond or react to it. There's a difference.
That's true. That's true.
Boundaries.
That's true.
Yeah.
If you have trolls, you should know, like, you're gonna put
Coming.
something, you say something